Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I just gonna stay home, edit my video them, but right now, I'm outside because I'm gonna look something to make my breakfast. I feel for scarcity and I'm probably gonna eat White House with sardine. I don't know if you know any White House. Make sure no. White House to me is like a mixture between plantain and banana. One thing about where I live, even if you never have money, I don't think you can ever dead for hungry because of the amount of things so on the land. Like you can basically survive off of the land. But yeah, I'm gonna look at the Cersei right now. Alright, so guys, see the Cersei here. I'm gonna need a lot. Well, this is probably too much. Yeah, let's see it here. This is White House. Yeah, son, bad. So yeah, this is White House. My grandfather talked to me. In a little, I can't end up frying a White House today because them look like them ready yet. So I'm gonna end up eat fried green bananas with the sardine. Where I go pick the? Alright, I'm gonna go breadfruit tree with my grandfather. We are going to the breadfruit tree. Did you see? Fit one funny. But I actually want to eat one roast ripe breadfruit or one roast turn one. Which one to see? Is it fit? Big? It's shot. Oh, it look big. But if it drop, when you pick it and it drop, it now go back out. The jackfruit, them are done. The jackfruit. Oh, let us see. Me have a smelly. Hey, look one ready? Oh. You know, some days I go have a tree because I feel for some kind of fruit. Look one end up come down. Guys, this is one of the custard apple trees them. But and the one of they seen at the video when my dad did the whole thing about climbing trees in hills. This is a different one. We have like several of them throughout the yard. My grandfather gone up with the stick. Me I gonna bring up the jackfruit. My dad think about to make almond drops, but I'm not 100% sure yet. Cause I'm kinda tired. It depends on how I feel when I finish eat breakfast. So for now, I just get the banana and go, prepare something to eat. And guys, so the banana them here, so you know what that means? It means it's breakfast time now. So, green bananas, sardine, and my seracity. Guys, look here, the banana tree dropped down. So me come up a while ago with my grandfather, right? I will pick off a few fingers. By the time he walk around my yard, I'm there talk to my sister, I look out. The banana tree me see. Bend, fall down. Daddy! The banana drop down. Yes, this is it for the tree. Me and my grandfather, we kill it before time. It look like hurricane barrel passed through again. If me da make the almond drops them today, I could have used them same banana leaves here to make it set. But as I say, I'm not sure when I do it. It depends on how I feel after I finish eat breakfast and chill a little bit. Guys, so I eat me fried green banana with sardine I'm gonna go chill a little bit. The sun out here is still turn up. So instead I'm gonna make almond drops today. I just pick a few ripe ones off of the tree and eat it, and then I'm gonna bust out the nut out of some of the dry ones that are on the ground. So yeah, let me show you the tree, because I tell you, so where I live, you can legit survive off of the land. Like, you're not gonna dead feel hungry. Let me show you my almond tree. And this is the almond tree right here. I want to try zoom in for showing you some of the ripe ones. You can see it? Like, look there. If I get one of my grandfather's stick them, because I can't reach them there. Once upon a time, would you have so many limbs on the trees, so like when I could have legit just walk past and just pick off it. But my grandfather kind of broke the almond tree and take it feed goat. So that's why it's still like this right now. Yeah. May I come there? Oh, see my grandfather chicken them there. I walk around the place. I want to show you the dry ones them too, they're on the ground. Look. You see them? Like, it's a lot on the ground. So if I really have the energy, I could have made the almond drops. But another day, guys, I want to show you my grandfather chicken them, but they are running from me. No, come here. I run go. No, come here. Stop running from me. I'm running down then. They run gone. I make them stay. Say hi, big woman. Say hi, big woman. I stick me supposed to get to go pick the almond, you know, but yeah, so them my animals in here. Did you miss me when I was in here? Come, shake my hand. I don't have any food though. You see, big woman is a very weird goat, you know, so she eats something, you see. She like chicken, fish, everything. And she just go about her business in her yard. Let me go get this stick and go do with my dad. I think she said she'd go make almond drops, but I ripe almond she a pick. I'm tired. I am tired. I'm going to box on dry one and I'm just not eating. Look what it be go ripe one right in front of you. No, right across. See stick there, go close it a while ago. No, not so high. When you look for them, when you look for them, there you can't find them. See, yeah. About 10 almond a pick. How much you find so far? 3. Guys, looking at my hand. I didn't pick more than that, you know. I can't find it. Why I don't even know why I take up the no good one there right there. So. Oh, let me pick that one there. I can't find it. I can't find the rest of them fish food. They're last. I'll wash them off and eat them. Look at the deer almond up on the tree. You know, go down in this hole right so. Down in that hole right so. You look like some nice one down in that hole so. No matter if you drop or not, everything drop off a tree. You have to take your look. See that one, they look nice. No, back at the stone in that hole. That's the one I made a pick. But I'm going to get the knife and come bust out some dry one. I'll hold it a dry one. You guys then pick up the dry ones then. Now the rest of them can rock over here so. Guys, there's a lot of dry almond on that tree, you know? Like a lot. I really after I gonna make almond drops one of them there. See me? You know, so I should have just put down the knife. Why not walk up and down with the knife? Could I just put down the knife on the rack, you know? Deep. I think I pick up enough now because I need drops me make me just want something to eat. I'm showing you the amount I get. My little storage unit over here, so. Whee! See it? And find a good amount. I go burst them out of them shell now. Guys, you see how this come out easy, and I can't see not all on there. Ah! It dropped it. It dropped. Oh, cha. Alright, another one. Cha. Another one. This one will not fall. As I burst them, I'm going to eat the same time. I'm not even going to wait. Cheers! You want one? You want one? You want one? Me eat them as me bust them out. Yeah. Then taste good, you see? Guys, this is what I think my life. I don't think I would have one group any other way than how I grew up. I love this type of living here. I say anytime I go nowhere, whether I go on different parish or I go America or something, I just always homesick. I always can't wait to come back in the yard. I love the fruits in my yard. I think one of the reasons why we have so many fruit trees and things is because of the beehive we have. When me done, me I go show you so we can say thanks to the bees them. Like we appreciate you. Even though the bees them sting me up sometimes, I still appreciate them because of them and them pollination process. But I think we have so many fruit trees. I feel like say, if me dey really plan for me the almond drop them today. Well, me I burst them out of the shell, and I just eat them out. Yeah, feel like I don't eat them out because of that I normally do. When I was younger, me and my cousin them would have come under the tree. I would have get the almond them, burst them out of the shell, and then give it to my grandfather so he could make an almond drop so it. But almond drops actually not hard for me. Like it's really easy. And it was a similar process to making coconut drops. But to me, almond drops taste way better. I'm not going to make you watch me bust out the almond them the whole time. I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to finish bust up everything I have right here. So, and afterwards, we can go check out the beehive. See them? Oh, you see the ripe one them I picked before, by the way? I watch them there, I eat them there a long time. Long time. I'm gonna pause the video. Guys, my burst out some for my sister because she day home. So I'm gonna give her them here. You see them? I don't think I should just eat them. Now I'm gonna give her because she always give me things. Guys, so the beehive, if you can see that tree, I'm gonna go close up, plus zoom in so you can see it better. Let's see, I'm zoom in for right to see if you can see. Yeah, honestly, it's big enough. It's so big. You see amount of bees that on it? I wish I didn't know how to get all the honey. But yeah, that's not my area. I don't know if to do them something. I don't think nobody in my area know how to take off the honey. We're not professional when it comes on to them something. So we just make it stay there and the bees just do its thing. But yeah, that's the end of the video. I'm just gonna chill out right now. Just gonna chill, probably watch a movie. But I watch when I walk in the spin off them, so I'm just gonna finish that day.